Thank you Flexseal for sponsoring this unboxing video. Hi, I'm Mark from Team Dominator. Look what I just got from Phil at Flexseal. I've been told it's a Flexseal Premier. Let's open it together and see what's inside. Okay, so it kind of tells me what's in the box here. That looks kind of interesting. Have a look at these things. So we got here Flexseal Premier. Stay glued and flex on. Let's take a look. Awesome. Let's switch it on. That's pretty bright light there. Yeah. Flexseal hat. It's good. Always losing these in severe weather, wind, tornadoes. Always useful to have extras. It's like some kind of dry bag. That'd be useful. Very useful for boating as well, actually. Keep my phone dry while I'm out. Don't have a crank radio. That'd be useful. Useful if you run out of power or there's an emergency. Ah, I can hear stuff. Okay. Well, that'll be really useful. Looks like it has a emergency flashlight as well in there. It looks like it's got solar power, solar cell to recharge it with as well. That is really neat. Very useful when you're storm chasing, just to have something just in case you get wet. Oh, look at that, nice multi-tool. Here, knife. Looks like, I guess it's looks like a saw and a file, and a Phillips screwdriver as well. Okay, so it's always important to have a first aid kit in case of emergencies with you. Something that's easy to carry around with you is really useful. Okay, you got looks like gauze roll, scissors. This is a really good kit. Wow, look at this. Tons of bandages. Knuckle fabric bandage, antiseptic. There's looks like bandage tape as well. Wow, that's quite a lot of stuff in there. Never seen a first aid kit that's got that much stuff in, actually. That's really cool. That's from the American Red Cross. It's awesome. Well, thanks Phil. Click the link to see exclusive details on the Flexseal Premier.